Hi friends, this is Shambhavi here. Welcome to Kara Sweet. It's too yummy to fill your tummy. Before moving on to for today's video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now get to know how to prepare tasty and instant Falooda Rosemilk Recipe. For that, you require rose syrup 5 to 6 tablespoons, and as per your requirement, milk half a liter, that is freezed or ice cold milk, along with sabja seeds falooda, which is also known as tulsi seeds, with warm water. Kindly pour the warm water into the sabja seeds and now cover it and keep it aside so that it will be in form and ready by the time the rose milk is being prepared and can be mixed in that. A bonus tip here: before churning any sweet dishes, kindly churn it with plain water, as if any spicy foods are being prepared earlier, it would get washed away as we pour it off. Now take half a liter of milk, which is cold or even freezed, that's fine. Just beat it up if it's freezed. Now take 5 to 6 tablespoons of rose syrup directly into the grinder along with the freezed milk or ice cold milk. This is one of my favorite recipes at our home because it can be done instant, one thing. Second thing, it would be just smoothie, creamy, and the taste resulting would be just fabulous. Once the measure is taken and added, please churn it. See to that it would turn into a fine creamy kind of consistency. Yeah, you can see. Now you can add cold milk if left at home and churn once again. See, by churning it twice or thrice, the blend of the mixture would be very perfect. If anything is left in the mixer, again let it not go waste. Pour water and the same mixture again and mix it with the earlier prepared one. Stir it once again so that it would form a foamy kind of a layer above the rose milk. My suggestion here: add 1 teaspoon of sugar either while grinding or after that, as this gives a sharper sweet taste and completes it. Now let's see whether sabja seeds has been done. Yes, this is perfectly done. You can see the consistency. Though it is sticking to each other, it is enlarging. Now pour the rose milk to the glasses and just add on the sabja seeds in each glass, and this completes our dish. Now it's ready to serve, and yeah, it's too yummy to fill your tummy. If you think this video is unique, helpful and awesome, please do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to share your feedback in comment section. Thank you for watching.